Good morning, I'm Lindsay. Welcome to 10 at 10, where I'll be leading us through some breathing and gentle yoga shapes to help you start your day. So we're gonna start in a child's pose this morning. So bring your big toes to touch, and you can play with how wide you want your knees. So they might come almost to the edges of your mat, or you might bring them in a little bit closer. And as you come down, you can play with what spacing is right for you this morning. Let your forehead meet the ground, but stay engaged through your fingertips, actively walking them forward, giving a stretch into your side body as you let your hips continue to sink towards the ground. Take a deep inhale here. As you exhale, let your forearms melt down onto the mat. Let your body begin to find some heaviness. And just begin to notice your breath. Following your inhales and your exhales. As you inhale, finding a bit more space, length, energy. As you exhale, finding softness, release, and grounding. Inhale, filling up. Exhale, letting go. And as you take a few more breaths here on your own, allow yourself to take stock of how you feel right now. Any physical sensations that rise up, any emotions or feelings that come to the surface. And then I'd like to invite us into an intention of health or of wellness today. And I'm going to offer this way to connect with this intention. As you inhale, allow your thoughts to be the words, I am. As you exhale, well. Inhale, I am. Well. I am. Well. Take one or two more rounds here for yourself. And slowly begin to take a little roll of your head, massaging that third eye, that place right between your brows. And then beginning to bring some weight into your hands, and we're going to come right into a down dog to give a little counter to that compression in your legs. So spreading those fingers wide, engaging into your finger pads, keeping that gentle bend in your knees here as we start, as your heart presses towards your thighs, your heels reach towards the ground. And then just begin to take that pedal push through your legs. Let your head be heavy. And then allow that to come to stillness and come back into that tabletop shape. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees, and begin to roll through some cat-cows. As you inhale, drop your belly, open your collarbones, lift your gaze. As you exhale, round your spine, drop your gaze. Inhale, belly drops, gaze lifts, cow pose. Exhale, spine rounds, gaze drops, cat pose. Take 2 or 3 more rounds here. In this cat-cow, or starting to find some organic movements rolling through your hips. back through that neutral tabletop, we're gonna come into a supported side plank. So kick that right foot out to the side, and then start to ground that left foot. Roll your torso open, let that left hand reach towards the ceiling. Fingertips are active. And then take that bicep by your ear, giving your side body a nice stretch. Deep inhale. Stay for that exhale. And then come up for your gate pose. That left hand is gonna trace your left leg, right bicep is by your right ear, fingertips reach, inhale. And exhale, wind it down, come back through that tabletop. You might reset here with a cat-cow. And then we're gonna take that over to the left. Kick that left foot out to the side, ground your right foot, and roll your torso open, right fingertips reach towards the ceiling. And then take that right bicep by your ear, really activating through those fingertips. Deep inhale. Stay for your exhale. Inhale, rise up. Gate pose. Right hand traces that right leg. Left bicep by your ear. And wind it down. Take that tabletop, that reset of your spine, cat-cow. And then tucking your toes, finding your downward facing dog, and start to take that pedal push of your feet. Turn it into a walk, come into your forward fold. Give that generous bend in your knees, arms are heavy. Head maybe shakes yes and no. Torso goes for a little roll side to side. And then as you take that next inhale, bring your hands to your shins. Iron out your spine. Shoulder blades roll onto your back. Gazes towards the ground. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, reach your fingertips up and out as you come up through your high prayer. Palms touch, gaze lifts. Exhale, hands through the center line of your body. Palms shine forward. Inhale, fingers reach. Gaze lifts. Exhale, take it down in a forward fold. Hands come through center line. We're gonna just take those shapes 2 more times, really focusing on connecting breath and movement. As you inhale, find that halfway lift. Iron out your spine. Exhale, fold. Inhale, fingertips reach. High prayer, gaze follows. Exhale, hands through center line. Palms shine forward. Inhale, hands reach, gaze follows. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, hands reach, high prayer. Exhale, hands center line. Palms shine forward. Inhale, hands reach. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, let it go and fold. And then from here, go ahead and just take a seat back on your mat. Let your hands come to rest on your lap. Let your gaze soften or your eyes close as we return for a few rounds of breath to stillness and intention. Inviting your mind to return to that intention of health, of wellness, and connecting that to your breath. Inhale, I am. Exhale, well. Take 2 more of these for yourself. And on your next inhale, bringing your hands to heart center. And And then taking your hands up to your third eye center, that place between your brows, connecting your heart's desire to your mind's intention. Namaste. Thank you all for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful